Hello, remote family. Happy New Year. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I am back with another work from home job for you guys, and this one is also 100% a no phone job, which doesn't require any degree. So, the opening which I have is with this company, Panda Dog, and they are looking for customer support associate, which is available all over the United States. So let's get into the job details. So they are looking for an energetic and fun customer support associate to join them. You will become a part of an international team that helps the customers get more value from the product. Your tasks will be to respond to customer inquiries via in-app chat, email, and video conferencing. So, in this role, you will deliver happy experiences to every client you interact with. You'll become an expert in PandaDoc and be able to resolve issues of the customers. You will quickly respond to customer inquiries. You will use incident management technologies to register, validate, track, and solve application incidents. You will work closely with the teams globally to deliver world class customer service. So, what are the requirements for the job role? You need to have a strong written and verbal communication skills, an experience in customer support or similar customer service experience working with CRMs or other tool and programs, a quick learner, analytical mind, stress tolerance, and able to work flexible hours like on holidays and weekends. So it will be awesome if you had knowledge about interest in SaaS and web applications, basic knowledge of software development process and system design, experience in monitoring technical or product metrics, great sense of humor, and fluent in additional foreign languages. So here are the benefits which you will get if you get selected in this company. First of all, the open culture that emphasizes feedback and promotes professional and personal development. An opportunity to work from anywhere. The team is distributed worldwide from Lisbon to Manila, from Florida to California, and an annual personal budget for educational classes, conferences, anything to further your professional knowledge, and much more. And apart from that, the annual base salary range for this position is anywhere between 35K to 48K per annum. So, if you are interested in this job role, then please apply for the same. You will find this application form in this below. I will share the link for the same below in the description. So, I hope so you enjoyed today's video. And if you are looking for a work from home job, whether it's a no phone job or even a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.